So if we have this split view possible, I'm also going to work on creating a model creator that can generate all those 6 files for you. So two core files, 2 backend files, and 2 front-end files for every model that you create. So there would be a command in the CLI, sensible model. And if you create a new model, you would say like, okay, I want a model. The name of the model is Node. And then you say sensible model Node with, and then you have all the attributes and the type interface of those attributes. So you have the attribute text and it's a string. You have the title, it's a string. You have the date, it's a number. You have the author, it's the author is a relation with the user model. So this is all you specify. Then you press enter and it generates those files. It generates 2 core files. It generates 2 backend files and 2 front-end files. And it generates that with the meta scripting I was talking about. I shared an issue of that. Yeah, so if we have that, it will be super productive, and you can really generate a model in a minute, and then you have to change maybe a couple of things in the APIs and the front end, but of course it will save a lot of time, right? So yeah, thank you. This is my plan. So I hope you can help me with that.